Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Bitget crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the Get Started button. This will then take you into the sign up page, where you can tap on the login button at the top right corner to proceed with logging in. Now you can use your email address or your phone number. Just enter either one of these within the given section and then tap on the next button. Now you will be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password within the given box, and then you can tap on the login button, which will then log you into your account right away. If you have created your account using Google, Apple or Telegram account, you can tap on the respective buttons. And in case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password button to reset your credentials. And if you have turned on two-factor verification, then you will need to enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to your inbox while you try to log in. So just type in this verification code, and now you will be logged into your existing account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bitget crypto trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.